On this episode of Let's Get Real, this is going to be real, okay? Men versus women, women versus men, money mindset is what we're going to get into. And yes, caveat before you jump down my throat saying, I'm a sexist and chauvinist pig and all those things that you want to say when you think about a male talking about women's perspective of, I was raised by a single mother, 98%, 95% of my clientele are women. I have always just related and had more relationships that way. Plus, a lot of my clients and prospective clients have given me the experience, opinions, and the right to talk about this. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about women versus men in terms of the money mindset and why fundamentally it is different. Okay. First, let's start with the women. Naturally going to be wanting to have children. Nurturing is the word that we use a lot. And ultimately wanting to know, hey, is my family and are we going to be taken care of? That fundamental difference or nurturing concepts leads to, in the money sense, of scarcity, right? Oh shit, what happens if I die, disabled, car accident, you name it, the planning, all of those things come into degree with women's fundamental mindset. And that's a good thing. But what it leads to is confusion, lack of organization because of the complexities when it comes to money. And that has a lot to do with our industry and how it all started. But I'll get to that after we talk about mindset. The other side, the flip side, men. Men are, I'm just going to get it done, right? I'm just going to get shit done. Whatever the situation is, I'll figure it out. We'll be okay. I'll figure it out. Now, again, these are generalizations. So let's not jump down the throat on that. But typically men are going to be the ones that are like, I need to provide, so I'm going to figure out whatever I need to do to get it done. And that is a very simple, overly simple mindset, because they're just thinking, if I go work this hard, I'll get this money, will be taken care of. Whereas women are more like, we need this much because we're doing this and this and this. And what if this happens and this happens and this happens, right? So different fundamental philosophies, and that's just human nature. Now, why is that so much different and driven people apart, whether that's their marriage, conversations online, other relationships, is because of our industry and how our industry specifically started overall a long, long time ago. CFP has only been around for 50 years, but fundamentally, the white men, the rich white males started our money industry, right? Name it, whatever it is, all banking, real estate, investing, etc. It was started by the white man because women weren't allowed to vote, coloreds weren't allowed to vote, and have been repressed in terms of knowledge. So minorities and women are fighting the same fight in terms of the lack of education and just experience in the money game, whereas men, white males specifically, have not. And so you have the fundamental difference, right? Men are simplistic. I'll just figure it out. Women are a little more complex. Hey, this could happen. This could happen. I need a plan for this. On top of the educational gap, it's where you're going to find issues. And that's why you're going to have arguments. That's why relationships are going to be different. And fundamentally, why there's not a lot of minorities or women specifically in financial services, being financial planners, advisors. On the flip side of that, there isn't a ton of women that only want to work with women financial planners. And again, because that roots back to how we were all raised, right? Sit with me real quick. Envision what you think a financial advisor, financial planner looks like. I bet that was some polished white male, salt and pepper in a suit, right? What you thought of. You did not think of a black man. You did not think of a female. None of those came to your vision. And that's been rooted in us via education and experience. So we are at a precipice in this industry of wanting to change that, right? Obviously, I'm a black male who's a CFP, and I work damn near exclusively with women and minority business owners, right? So I'm attacking this and approaching this. How can we help cross this bridge for both our clients, us, and everyone else with these fundamental differences of how women and men operate? It's quite simple. Let's focus on the emotions. Let's focus on the behavior and talk. It's not that hard. Not really that hard to have these conversations about it. We know that women want to nurture, want to have plans and be complex and understand not necessarily how everything works, but that there is a plan for everything. Men, they just want to know that it's taken care of, be simple, and know I'm making money, I'll put it into this, and we're good to go. So we need to bridge those conversations ultimately, which will lead us to our next topic in our next conversation. So you'll have to watch and stay tuned for that. But that'll be about the fundamental difference, but also why women have that difficulty and what we can do to provide that. So as always, let's get real. We're going to have real conversations about these things. This episode, I know, will turn into a lot more, and we can dive in a lot further as we go. But if you have questions, comments, everything, throw it at us. We're here to chat about it.